welcome back to Sweet Home Gallery. Today we will explore some stunning and trending epoxy center table and wooden tea table designs that are taking modern interiors to the next level. Whether you love luxury resin art, natural wood patterns or minimal designs, we have got ideas that will inspire your next home makeover. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of creativity and craftsmanship. Epoxy center table trends. Epoxy center tables are more than just furniture, they are work of art. This table combines natural wood slabs with crystal clear resin, creating mesmerizing river-like designs and glowing effect. River epoxy tables. One of the hottest trends right now is the river table. It features a natural wooden plank divided by a river of blue or turquoise epoxy, giving a flowing water effect. Perfect for living rooms with a touch of nature and modern luxury. Metallic and glow epoxy. If you want a bolder look, go for metallic pigments or glow in the dark epoxy. This table shines beautifully under LED lights, making them an instant statement piece in any space. Epoxy with gold leaf or stones. Adding gold leaf, crystals or stones inside epoxy creates a luxurious, aesthetic idea for premium home interiors. Wooden tea table designs ideas. Now let's move to that timeless charm of wooden tea tables, a must-have for every cozy corner or living room setup. A simple round wooden table with a polished finish brings elegance and warmth. Perfect for small living area or balcony corners. Light wood tones with clean legs and matte finishes are trending for modern homes. They give a calm and natural look that blends with almost any decor. The combination of wood and metal is trending. Mixed material table. Think black iron legs with a solid wooden top. It's perfect for industrial or modern theme interiors.
Like, share and subscribe to Sweet Home Gallery for your sweet home. Thanks for watching.